Chapter 9 Introduction to Coordinates. Here, coordinates in Chinese means 坐標. And usually, we have two values for our coordinates. And using a bracket to keep these two values. For example, 2 and then -3. Remember to use a comma to separate these two values. Okay. Before we talk about coordinates, let's see about the important terms in this chapter. Okay, the first one, Cartesian plane. 笛卡爾平面. Cartesian is a mathematician, 數學家. He introduced this plane, and now we say that it's a rectangular coordinate plane, 直角坐標平面. That means here you have the two axes, okay, and this one is x and this one is y. Later on we'll talk about the rectangular coordinate plane. Okay, the third one, x-axis and y-axis. X-axis here and y-axis here. That means the horizontal one, horizontal axis 水平嗰個軸 and the vertical axis 圓錘嗰個軸. And here we have two values, remember? The first one is the x coordinate, x 坐標, and the second one is a y coordinate, y 坐標. And do you find that coordinates, each one is singular, 每一個都係單一個嘅. So you see, if we introduce the coordinates, that means two coordinates. Okay, here x coordinates and y coordinates. Then we'll have coordinates. Okay. Okay. The fifth one, origin, 原點. That means this point, 0, 0. This point is origin. And the next term, ordered pair. Ordered pair, that means, okay, you have 1, 2 values with order. So we say that ordered pair. And next one, quadrant, 象限. Here we have 4 different quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, later on we'll introduce this for you. Here, point of intersection. That means we have two straight lines, and here is the point of intersection, 相交點. Okay, right hand side, let's have a look. Besides rectangular coordinate plane, we have another coordinate. It's the polar coordinates.極坐標. And this one, you can have a look on the page 15 and 16. Page 15 and 16. About this 4. So we'll have the polar axis, polar angle, and pole. We'll introduce for you later. Okay, next 2. Horizontal, 水平, vertical, 圓錘. And before you know these two terms, so remember how to spell these two words. Okay, last 2. It's about the method of dissection, 分割法, and method of fitting, 填補法. These two to help us to find the area of a plane, okay? Area of a polygon, okay? Hope you understand all these terms